FitLab PGH back with a movement tip, lifestyle hack. Intensity does not have to be impactful. By that, what we mean is if you want to do some more intense exercise, but you don't want the pounding, you can stay off the treadmill. You can stay on soft surfaces like the backside of Arrow Hill and Mingo Creek Park, and you can walk or trot up at a higher rate of speed than you normally would go. So you're pushing the intensity up. In my case, the goal is to get my heart rate up a little bit, burn some energy off the labs, and continue to work on improving my fitness. In the next video, we'll define what fitness means to us and ask you for your impact. Another movement tip and lifestyle hack from FitLab PGH.